closer. It's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day. And then I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time.
Woohoo! We're here!
Maganda sa ano, fine dining.
Ng balita pare. Diba yung crib?
Yes. I want you to go check out.
I know.
I want you to go.
Go check out the
come on
crib.
in, check out my crib.
Yep. Go check out the crib.
Pa-experience ng bago mong bahay.
Wow. You know?
Welcome in.
Wow.
And then.
Woohoo! What's up, guys? Damn.
Pare,
Fully purchased.
chinelas pala sa labas.
Ay, ganun ba? Oh, shit.
Ang tagal mo. Bati mo na ito sa labas.
Uy, gagi ang tinda! Sino dito sa taas?
Wow.
Pamili
What's
ako.
up? What's up? What's up?
Pahingayin ko sila sa labas.
Wow. Check natin. Check out. Oh.
Ganda natin.
You guys,
It's cool.
You guys are upstairs kasi maliit siya eh. Dito kami sa baba.
Ito?
Yeah, because the kids
Oh,
don't have to
wow.
be going up and down.
Whoop whoop.
May Netflix account kayo?
Meron.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, Uncle Randy has a Netflix
Yep.
account.
Woo! Ganda.
What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. Tayo ay nandito sa Homestead Ranch at kasama natin mga bata. We are doing like a little getaway before the school starts. Siyempre kasama natin lahat. Mrs. Tapos kasama natin si Hayes, Hershey, JR, all the kids, the wives. So we're gonna have a good time, cook, and we're gonna enjoy the place. Check out that view.
Ganda.
Bago lipat si ano dito. Nandun si Hayes na yun, nagluluto siya. He's cooking right now. So, pasyalan natin muna sina Hayes at JR. Mga kapitbahay muna kami
Mga
dun.
kapit-bahay ka, baka anong ulam kaya nila?
You know.
Nagutom na ako eh.
So, we're just gonna walk. That's ours. And JR. And then this is their spot right here. So, baka mamaya doon kami. Mag-ano kami doon. Mag-barbecue kami.
Makikikain po kami. Ano po?
Ay, kain muna kami.
Ano po ulam niya? Mga kapit-bahay
Ano
ka.
to kayo?
Yan ang sticker.
Woo! Sticker para kay Hershey. Yeah!
Next t-shirt natin.
Ang place na. Ganun yung itsura yata yun.
Same lang.
Oh, same thing. Yeah.
Same lang.
Taylor.
Yung bangos?
Oh, yeah.
Dami rin kami.
Yeah. Stroll muna kami. JR.
Free yun gagamitin, free. Yung kayak nila.
Try mo.
Basta laglag.
Kaya kayo ma'am.
Oh. Oh, may tennis court, no?
Ano, yung pickleball.
Oh.
Tapos volleyball. That's my park.
Dito. Si ano? Pero si ano pala? Si Joyce. Sawa niya, no?
Hello,
Sawa ni Hershey. Huwag mo nang po.
Hello po.
Oo.
Kasi matanda ka sa akin.
Yeah. Swimming tayo dyan. Oo nga. Oh, yeah. I guess you can use all the amenities over here. Pwede ka mag-kayak. Wow, fireplace
Parang tayo lang ngayon.
dito.
Ganito dapat pa yun, quiet.
Wala ka, second time yun dito?
Probably like chill over there tonight.
Ay, talaga?
Have the lights.
Tapos pag ginano mo, pag kunyari may wedding or party, ito mong nakakalikiran sa
Wala,
party.
pakasalan tayo.
Dito, parang ceremony. Bukas yun pag ano. But it's closed right now though. Tapos mamaya, it's gonna be nice all lit up.
Paggabi na.
May ilaw, no?
Presko, hindi siya yung masakit sa balat.
Yun na din ilaw ko nun eh.
Tapos dito,
Oh,
we're gonna have
basketball court.
tables over here. Mamaya.
Dito tayo mamaya.
Yun yung kotse, oh.
Lagyan natin dito.
Playground.
Nice.
Here for the kids.
Later last.
Oh, ang tawag dyan yung ano?
Cornhole.
Cornhole.
That's yung barbecue grill nila
Oh,
lahat.
they got some
Dito
barbecue.
tayo, lahat.
Yeah.
All gonna hang out here.
Barbecue pit.
Everything, that's why it's fucking nice.
Basketball. Shoot some hoops. May mga bola dun. Mag-slam dunk ka nga, slam dunk. It's a cool spot. Kaso yun, medyo pricey lang ang ano, cabin. Meron yung sleeps for taxes, everything's about $300. Medyo pricey lang siya. Oh.
Yeah, everything. Sink, grill, fires.
Yan, linis, no? Hindi tayo magluto.
Dito tayo. Now we're gonna set up the tables. We're gonna pull that.
Yeah.
Tapos meron pa tayo naman. Tapos yung mga yan ang pag gusto nyo solo-solo naman.
Yee! Chef Jay! What's up, man? We're doing pork barbecue, pork belly, barbecue chicken, marinated pork. Woo! See? I'm gonna get one of these. I can't record it. I can't record it and then just go because gas is over here, the brake's over here. Gas, brake, gas, brake. I like the first version better. This is a retake, that's why I didn't record the first one. So we got the cornholes, we got the basketball court, we got the playground over there, the lake's over here, the cabins are over there, the lakeside. And this is JR's taco. The other cars are over there, the other trucks are over there, so shoot.
That's good.
You get the pickle too, Annabelle. Or the pond.
That wasn't recording again.
No way.
Damn, another one? Another shot?
Yeah, we're doing another shot.
Hindi nga.
Got just.
Hindi siya na-record.
We got the cubes. We got the liempo. I haven't seen you forever. This is not my vlog. It's his.
Long time.
I'm like taking over his vlog. I left my GoPro over there.
Content naman.
Yeah, buddy.
Ano, kasi wala tubig eh. Kailangan magbabomba muna sa dyan.
Joyce, magbomba ka daw.
Bomba ka muna doon.
Para sa'yo lang yun, di ba?
Kailangan mo na magbomba.
Bomba ka muna dyan. Para Pilipinas. That's how you do it.
You have to pump it. You know, you have to go up.
Baba mo. Baba. Yan. Tas taas.
Up, yeah.
Yan.
And then you can use ano.
Sige pa. Ayan. Pagka mag-quit na, okay na nun.
Magbomba ka na.
Sige.
Yung mo sa taas.
Yung mas taas. Tignan mo meron na. Oh! Palakpakan naman tayo dyan. Palakpakan tayo dyan. Ulitin mo daw.
Ay na!
Hindi nga, ganun nga eh.
Wala na tubig, oh. Tignan mo, wala na tubig niya.
Wala na. Oh. Bomba ulit.
Bomba
Ang
ko tayo.
pagod dyan!
Taylor.
Bigyan mo sa akin. Joyce, magbomba ka na.
Bomba yan.
Wala na tubig.
Wala na. Bomba ulit. Bomba.
Bomba pataas.
Taylor. We need water. Bomba. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Bomba.
Okay. Alright.
Live it up.
Okay.
Lift it up. There you go.
Yay! Palakpakan tayo.
Get the water.
Uto-uto, no?
Alam sa trip eh. Baba ka na!
You gotta do it.
Lasing na yun.
I like.
Yup.
600 more.
Chef takeover. Says naman niya yun. You know.
What's up? Yeah, I haven't seen Randy in forever.
Yup. Ano, parang 1 month na yun, no?
Whole month I was working. Boom. Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken in or chicken out?
Chicken in.
We just chicked in.
Bakit kasi yung day off ni Randy?
Bye.
Hawa ka.
I got all the food, don't worry.
Ikaw na bahala dyan. Okay. Taylor, you good? Yeah. Oh, wait. Taylor's shoes. Taylor's shoes. Alright, Taylor's shoes.
Okay.
Right. Hold on, tight.
Okay. Go.
Bye, Hayes.
I'm gonna put these in sport mode. Okay. Okay na.
Game.
Chaser muna si Chaser.
Si Jason Dimino. Ganda naman itong Dimino.
Oh.
Cheers.
Game.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, putang ina.
It's delicious.
There you go.
Ayan, puso. Puso mamon.
Puso heart. Heart. Let it be.
Let it be heart.
Let it be the heart.
Oh, it works. Woo! Bagong auto!
Sasakyan ni auto ni Hershey, oh.
Hershey, bagay.
Next year.
Oh, bagay truck, oh. Woo!
Next year.
Pogi, oh.
Not bad, huh?
Parang dahil kay misis.
Next year.
Okay,
There's not a
oh.
lot.
Di bagay sa inyo, oh. Family. Camping. Hey, do you guys like truck or car?
Truck.
Truck! 1, 2. Okay. Sino gustong truck nang bibili ni Hershey? Like, raise their hand. Yeah. Raise their hand. Next year. Ano kayo, Mrs. Approval? Truck.
Sure.
Next year.
Uy, shot daw kay Rose. Yung tatlong babae.
Bagay. Hindi bagay sa'yo, bro. Bagay sa'yo yung truck.
How you like it?
It's been you all along, but I've been too caught up to see it, baby. We can have it all if I just could get myself together. I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in I'll take the pain. If I never try to get it, I can just forget it. I'm done playing the way.
If you lick it, you gotta put it down the throat.
God damn, son.
Iba naman ang inumin natin yun.
Hennessy, yeah?
Jameson. Where's the Fundador bottle?
Jameson, Fundador.
Oh, it's in there.
So where? Jameson too. That. We're not getting drunk. We're just tasting
We're
things.
just getting started.
We're just tasting. them.
Taste tasting.
Ikaw nalasing ka na din.
To different kinds of liquor. But, yeah.
Lasing na.
Oh, by the way, so
Run that
this
face.
is amazing. Look at that. Yeah, kiss.
Cheers, 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 cheers.
Cheers for another
We gotta
fucked
clear
up.
the table. There's no room to set anything down. Cheers.
Ubus na, ubus na.
Alin, Hennessy? Why? Why?
Di pa, di pa.
Do you want something else?
So guys, faster, faster, faster. Hindi, sobrang lasing na kami na yan. Halos naubos na namin yung Hennessy. Oh, tino mo? Wow. Tapos dinadaya namin kanina si Hayes kasi
Yeah, no.
nilalagyan namin ng gento. Tapos sabi niya, ba't ibang kulay nito? Sabi niya, ibang kulay kasi Jameson, it's supposed to be like this. Dapat pala medyo
With that?
we gotta mix it up, not pure Hennessy next time. So JR's gonna make some gin. Oh,
Dad.
Yeah.
Everybody's trying to forget the night tonight.
Can I also get a head start? Because that one's electric.
Oh, that's the devil right there. See that? Bro, you have the angel and the devil. That is bad.
yep, really bad.
I'm gonna get a head start, Dad, because that one,
Woo!
electric and that one
Shit.
is.
Gin? I thought you were just making Tang.
Tangin na mo.
Where are we going? Left or right?
We're going around.
Our bartender for tonight. I don't know what the hell he's doing, but I'm pretty sure he knows what he's doing. Not too much, buddy.
Is he licensed to
Is he licensed to do that?
I don't know.
think
No. Maybe on his head. But our little bartender is out on the scooter ride, so he's not supervising him right now. And he's using his fingers. It's not even sanitary. For us, it is, because we're like that.
Oh shit!
You broke the fork.
It's flavor, extra flavor.
Extra flavor.
Extra
Extra
right
flavor.
there, guys.
Yan.
Extra flavor.
We'll see how it is. He should put a little
So
bit
if you guys
more.
get that other piece of the fork,
It's extra flavor. It's somewhere. Oh, it's right there. It's dangling.
You gotta mix it up more.
You put more? You put like half a bottle.
No, dude, you can barely even taste it.
Mali ka naman, Daddy.
Creeper. Dude, I think that was shit. On the gravel. On the gravel. When you have a party, it's pretty quick.
Don't trust these guys.
Lost road, crossroad, ocean and sky. So searching, soul hurt and fire and I
Okay, last shot na to.
Mamaya pa, huy!
So yun, tatapusin. Tatapusin na lang yung vlog namin kasi masyado na tayo magulo eh. Ang gugulo nila eh. Puro tatay na yung pinag-uusapan.
We gotta close it.
Tatay.
Ano magagawa mo? Tatay tayo.
Tatay. Tapusin na lang yung vlog natin. Alright,
Tatay
cheers.
Oh yeah, thanks for the shot. Here we go.
Tatay tayo eh. Ano
Thanks for
magagawa
everything.
dyan?
Thanks for everything.
Yeah. Last shot.
Hindi mo naririnig, Jay.
Tapusin na natin shot natin. Tapos bukas
No, I don't know. I told you.
magluluto tayo ng breakfast. Hindi ko na alam ang sinasabi ko eh. Lasing na tayo eh.
Nawala na ba?
Bye room. Paalam na kami sa room.
Get out of here.
Yeah, alam.
George is having a hard time trying to log us. Netflix.
Next time ulit.
Did you get it? Oh, you got it? Oh, wow.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine.
So we're in Pine Valley. We're checking out the water. Pwede magkano dito mag-fishing and all that stuff.
With a halfway heart.
You guys know swimming.
Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home.
So you can wash your hands.
Halfway heart,
Okay, easy.
halfway heart.
Hello.
Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come
They know what's up.
Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that
Fishing ka na dyan. Fishing.
heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home.
Meron. Start din.
Halfway heart. Send a little love, I'll make
Okay.
it back.
Fish ka na. Di ba may mga fishing pole ka? Fishing. Yeah. Alright. Ano na tayo? Pagas muna tapos ano. Thank you sir, thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
Kita mo. Text.
Kakain muna kayo, uwi na diretso. Okay. Sige.
Pagas muna tayo.
Sige.
Pagas muna. Hi guys.
Yes, guys.
Later. Bye.
Ito.
Bye.
Bye.
Yep.
Ingat kayo ah.
Sige. Cheers.
Bye, kids. Rose.
Yeah. Sige, Hershey, pagkas muna tayo tapos ano.
Yeah.
Later. Thank you again. Bye,
Yeah,
Rose.
next time.
Bye.
We'll let me know when we're gonna go.
Yep.
Next one, and
We'll
then
go.
we'll plan it out.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ayun lang ako saglit.
Yeah.
Alright. We'll see you guys on our next video.